Welcome my channel Kakaiba TV. Another sharing 500 francs Belgium. Non-circulating coins year 1980. Composition silver 0.510, 39.25% copper, 9.75% nickel, 25 grams, diameter 37 mm, thickness 2.6 mm. Shape round. Orientation, coin alignment. Commemorative issue 150th anniversary of independence. Obverse, head of the 5 kings of Belgium facing left and separate medallions. Years of jubilee to the left, divided by the Legion and France. Small crown above lower year. Script Latin, lettering 1830 Belgique, 1980. Reverse. Map of Belgium, inscripted with text in French, value below, divided by mint and privy mark. Designer initial to the right. Script Latin. Lettering 150 ans de Indépendance de la Belgique. 50 francs. Thank you to all subscribers and viewers. Merci. Muchas gracias. Muito obrigado. Grazie, danki, shukran, domo arigato, salamat. Some details I'm writing below. Thank you.